Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite dessert, Paleo magic bars. Follow along and let's get going. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees before you start. And then I'm going to start with almond flour. You need 2 cups. This is a mess. And then you need 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. And then you need 1/3 of a cup of melted coconut oil. And then 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to mix that all together. Mix this well until it doesn't seem dry anymore, and then we're going to line a pan with parchment paper, or I'm going to use aluminum foil. Alright, and then you're going to bake this crust for 15 to 17 minutes. While that bakes, you're supposed to be making a homemade condensed milk, but I kind of cheated and just got the canned condensed milk. So this makes it not paleo, but whatever. So I'm going to simmer this on the stove to thicken it up a little, and then we'll pour it over the top. While the condensed milk is on the stove and the crust is in the oven, I am going to combine shredded coconut and chocolate chips. You can use dairy-free paleo chocolate chips if you want this to be truly paleo. Now we wait.
20 minutes later.
Alright, I just got my crust out of the oven. It's a little golden brown around the edges. And I'm going to take my chocolate chips and coconut and pour it on top. The more chocolate chips, the better. Okay, and then you are taking your condensed milk, homemade or not, and you're going to pour it on top. Alright, and then we put it back in the oven for 25 minutes. Yay!
1 eternity later.
Okay, so I just took it out of the oven. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes and then we will test it out.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
All right, moment of truth. We are going to try the bars. Okay, definitely recommend using parchment paper instead of aluminum foil. So good. Look at that chocolate. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Let me know if you end up trying to make these. I'll post the actual recipe down below. I'm gonna go eat the rest of these.